I live in Jamaica, land of wood and water.
My country has some of the best music.
Our country has some of the best athletes anybody have ever seen. So you would think I would have something to be proud of.
So you think I should have something to be proud of?
What would it take for you to share this?
4 women and an 8-year-old.
2 dead 15-year-old boys in the streets.
There were 748 incidents of rape last year.
That is equivalent to 62 a month, 16 a week.
2 women a day.
So you think I have something to be proud of? When a girl said no, she means no.
Yo, man no force woman for do what them want do.
I respect my woman.
When a woman say no, she mean no.
So you know what I mean? When a girl say no, she mean no. She don't mean continue, see?
Really? Tory.
We protect our children. We love and care for them.
Me have a mother.
I have a sister.
Me have a daughter.
Friend.
No! What would it take for you?
What would it take for you
To share this. To share this.
How can you sleep knowing you might be the next victim? The time is here.
And the time is now.
Spread the message. End violence now against women. Real man no rape.
So share this.
I is a Jamaican man. I am a Jamaican man.
I am a Jamaican man.
I am a Jamaican man.
I am a Jamaican man.
And I don't support no farmer rape. So share this.
Share this.
Share this. Share this.
Share this.
So share this.
Share this.